Hello, today we are going to learn how to make Palak Gosht in my style. So I would like to start with adding some whole garam masala into the oil and let it crackle let the whole good fragrance come into the oil. Then I would like to add one medium sized chopped onion and gonna cook it, saute it until it has changed its color to the golden brown. Now it's the time to add some mutton into it, depends upon the quantity you want to. And I'm again going to saute it and going to mix with all the whole garam masalas to cook it well. Now it's time to add some ginger garlic paste, and you have to cook it along with the mutton so that all the good fragrance of ginger garlic is incorporated in the mutton deeply. Now you have to mix it until the mutton has absorbed all the fragrance and it's dried up. It is just the water of the mutton is dried. Time to add some black cardamom, and because it gives a good fragrance in the palak gosht, you can trust me for that. Now it's time to add some good amount of spinach palak into the mutton, and you have to just mix it and let it fry into the oil. Right now you don't have to add any spices or anything else. Let the spinach cook with the mutton, and because it will just take away its raw smell, and it will taste much better than if we cook it raw. So, and spinach is already boiled. I'm going to add some green chilies for a good fragrance and 4 medium sized chopped tomatoes. Again, mixing and letting it cook. I would like to cook it until the oil is released from the palak gosht, and but right now I would like to add some regular spices, which is salt, red chilies, and I have added turmeric and coriander powder, and half a teaspoon of garam masala powder. As you can see now that oil is released, so I'm going to add some water into it, just to because I'm going to pressure cook the mutton, so you have to add according to the mutton, and the tomatoes will also get tender into it along with the mutton. So I'm going to cover it and cook it until the mutton is tender. So just open the lid and everything looks so good. I'm just mixing it and cooking it, drying up its little bit water until the oil is released. And in last I'm going to add some kasuri methi, which will give it a good fragrance. And you can see now that the spinach and mutton has incorporated very nicely. So the palak gosht is just ready. Adding a little bit of green chilies cut, and you can see this is the serving. I hope you like the recipe. Thank you.